bang, 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 bang. So from the see me and what the vice skim box, I must say, blessed morning guys, welcome back to another video. So you know, so today as you can see me up on the beach, Sunshine Beach to be exact. So you know, so this man we decided to make a little family walk. From about 2 weeks ago, we planned to come on the beach and we never reach, because you know, sometimes you get up in mood so the day I have something else to do. So we decided to make a chat this morning. It wasn't the best morning because you guys can see it. The place overcast and the water full of grass, which is not my favorite because we don't like feeling the grass come to move. So just me I move out it, if I move out right now because yeah, it's not my best friend. But we are still going to enjoy because the water is ready to go home. Malika is in front of the water. The excitement and scream Malika and now coming out of the water. Come now man. Forward man. Malika and now coming out of the water. Catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him. Give me water, mother. Bring me back to me, mother. Malika and I took the check. Malika and I took the check as the Kesaya playing at the sun right now at this moment. So guys, we are just going bing bang, ping pong and go and all out till you know ready to go away. Early still probably go after you tonight. Go after 9 man. Let's know what time. To be honest, we never look on the time. Man. We never look for the time, so we can't tell you now what time I'm on. Yeah man, but go and stay tuned now. Basically, son. Lara's Cafe and Lounge by River, Norwich, Port Antonio. This is a 49 store. Yeah, I'm cool to Parakeet. So guys, right, that's a nice door. When I put the sign on, you can take a picture. But anyway, the Sunshine Beach at the moment. I'm not sure if we can swim it because of the condition of the water. But we still have to take a try because from the last Sunday we said we did go, we never reached. So walk on that side. Right, walk on the inside. So Malika is really excited because I am there so. Now our, what you call it now? Our swimsuit and our princess skirt. Najee? Najee? Watch that little boy there now. See our birthday. It's a look the place overcast. We're just doing it for the walk though. You can't swim, that's different, but you can't swim. Go. Goes. Because the place is windy too, very. So you can see. The place is very windy. Windy. The guys want river run out right here, so you know. And they run out and can actually meet up back on the sea. So you see it, there's like a little tunnel back out to the sea. Nice to go out there. Nice parish, you know, nice place to see it. Remember to pull out Kesaya here to watch on phone today. Princess. Hey princess. Hey mommy. Ah, brother, this checker. Oh, look at what kid there. That's the cool kid. Give me a hand. Give me a hand, Papa. Leah, Kesaya. Yeah, we nobody today. So not with the camera today. One guy in there, you see him. Right in there. Ooh, see the garland. So what garland on the Malika? Malika is the garland there. A white bird. See them up there, so look at the post. See them there? see them? Them name Callings.
Callings.
Them?
See them
Right.
where they come out.
Yeah.
What are them house?
Out of them house, one of them house that.
Them house.
Right, Josiah. It's a morning beach settings, guys, and we're free go down. Ajay. Josiah, say hi, mommy. Hey. How are you doing?
Sunshine beach.
Love you.
Love you, baby.
So guys, go on journey to go Sunshine Beach. You know what I think go? How long will we go Sunshine? 1 year and whole bubble, sorry? Yeah, because Keziah 1 year, 3 months. From me pregnant with Keziah, I'm going to go back to Sunshine like, that's a long time. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I'm not them careful, something.
You don't have to see that. When you do have to do with food, you have to see. But look when the time you don't choose to go to the beach though. Look when the sun at you don't go to the beach. Look when the sun at you don't go to the beach. Look how you see so. Look at the view. You cannot see anything. Look how what? Walk now. Look how what now walk up there. Take your time walk now. See, I see all of Navy Island. The pier. Walk coast girl over there, man. You see shark in the beach?
Yeah.
What do you tell me, man? Come down.
Shark, mommy, we see shark here.
Oh, you see shark from right here, so. No, because it's risky. That's why I'm marrying. I walk like I find anything. And we dish out and I find that work. Maris. Okay, so anything. No, no, if I white house, one house and Panini Tiles. I would house up there. This is Brian's Bay Fisherman Beach. Brian's Bay Fisherman Beach. And you see the whole of Navy Island. You probably can't sing there water because it's too little people down there. What the people have come out here? You lost. You lost your shadow. You walk and look for it. I want a video. It's a cool thing, though. I got Sunshine Beach, man. I don't know why I did there. No? I say for me, you put my posters. Post a video in the dung, so I'm bridging a scale fishing. Calling him bridging and him a steam fish. Then Paki pan the cheat, you know, long you say Paki? Dada gone. Dada gone on a beach left here. You want to go up there?
Yeah.
No, you can't go up there. You're so reach and you can't see them. Welcome to Sunshine Beach. What you say? Another time I go. If another time I go away. My foot that hurt me. That's my problem. I need to fix it. You know, so I got order 2 of them bandy. There you go. No, if we go to see what on my farm against, you know, you can work at it. Malachi? Come. Who is the weapon? Welcome to the beach, like. I'll be a grass out there. Huh? See. Alright, give it to me. Aunt Kezzy. Mommy. Aunt Kez. Princess. Hey, princess. Yeah, princess. Yes, hey, princess. Sorry. What's going on? Finally come back at the beach after 1 year on. The first time I come at Sunshine Beach because I your first time at Sunshine Beach, guys, you know. Mommy. Come. Yay, come. Anytime she put a wall in R and in her son, you know you go. Come the princess, you finish? Yeah. She don't want to drop. Son, I'd have to walk in up here. Watch I want to. He did ask you, okay, watch him know you ask. Go ahead. Eh? Did you ask for the go ahead? Eh? This is the beach and that is the sun we're walking on, and those are the seagrass. Kesaya. Princess. Yeah. Hey, mommy. Kez. Hi. I say you did stay? Watch out. Watch out. Where's she? Dana. I saw you go on, man. I say, Najee, it's Russia call you. So.
Yeah, go in the mommy.
This is the whip on the pumpkin. See, this is the dip of the water. Come on, mommy. I'm here now, Princess Afar. Say hello.
Thank you. Hey, pitch the me, I think.
Water, nice water. 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 Come, splash, splash on the wrist. You are the weapon that form against the child. Right, Kezzy? Your father is a weapon that form against Malachi. Kez. Hey, princess. Malachi. Hey. What? Guys, the water full of grass and that is not my best friend. What you say? Rushy? Yes, sir. She's not show me she make love in the water. Show me say woman I make love. What you know? No, no, guys. Great River Island there again. So they, you know, serious of long, you know, cause that's my favorite kind of water them, you know. I'm afraid of grass. I don't like the grass. Back shot time, a lot of shot. I'm out of Trimble, man. Guess your call already? Yes. What you making? Daddy didn't bring any of your ties? What are you making? You want to make a sandcastle? Huh? Okay. Or you want to make a sand hole? You want to make water hole? Tell Daddy to dig you a hole and fetch you some water. Hello. The water is a weapon that farm against you. When you finish water full, sand full of air, good thing you know wash it. The Sunshine Beach Complex, guys, wedding, all the wedding, your parties, birthdays, you know, got etc. etc. You can come on down, but the beach is clean up though. Further out to the night, but we have to go walk this and go out this around here. We have to go walk this and go out this clear. Mommy. 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 Malibu. Malibu is a weapon that farm against himself. Yes, current situation. Malika afraid of the water and run up and down. Daddy out there saying the water. I feel the people don't listen. See? Yo, now look good. Swim go out there and come back. Swim go out there and come back. Malika swim ashore. Malika is better to be safe than sorry, so I'm not going to fire down which part in there. So I'm not going down again, guys, but water start itching, right? Nobody at itching, so I start itching at home, you are going on. Kezaya. Yeah, look at Kezaya. What are you doing? Why are you searching the clothes? What is that? What is that? What is the name of that thing that you're looking at? So, we're actually now heading home, back home. And that's a goat. See? Everyone enjoyed themselves. Through Kezaya did. For sure, she don't left the water. All in her mouth a shumble. Yes, Kezaya in the water, not letting go. She won't let him go. Yeah. Okay. This is where we're coming from. This is where we're coming from. I'm so afraid of these cars on the road, man. Just a little morning because you know, back now for the door, there's a stuff them, some dinner and, you know, iron to make sure some Malachi because I'm ready for school tomorrow morning. Right? Say yes. Right? Say yes. I think luxurious. Sun was going out, you know, as people can see. And the flowers are guys, so pretty. Orange and pink and purplish. That's cute. What happened? Go. Go right walk beside daddy. But say you don't know about road code in my youth. I want to. Remember, you don't know road code. What are you doing, boy? You're not ready to walk on the street by yourself, as it. Look at those flowers. Cute. So we're heading back home. See, sunshine is not far away from her. Walk over there, sir. Hold on in my pocket. Hold on into my pocket. Yes, you do. You see the blue. You see the blue. Yeah. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yo, just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Look at that. That's a nice girl. Watch it. Hey guys, I'm going to stay tuned this for myself. Watch out the video to the end, right? 100k views, right? Say yes. Right? Right? Say yes. Right. Love you.